Confidence doesn't come from changing your body. It comes from how you show up. Every day. Style isn't about trends, labels, or expensive clothes. It's about intention. It's about how you carry yourself when you walk into a room. When a woman feels confident in what she's wearing, she moves differently. She stands taller. She speaks more clearly. And people feel that energy. Let's talk about simple style shifts that quietly build confidence without buying new clothes. The first shift is fit. Clothes that fit your body properly change everything. Not tight, not oversized. Just intentional. When your clothes fit, your posture improves naturally. Your shoulders relax. Your movements feel controlled. And confidence follows. You don't need a perfect body for this. You need awareness. Pay attention to how clothes sit on your shoulders, how sleeves fall on your arms, how trousers move when you walk. Fit doesn't ask for attention. It creates ease. And ease is confident. The second shift is simplifying your outfit. Confident women don't overthink what they wear. They don't pile on trends. They don't try to impress. Instead, they choose one strong piece and let everything else support it. A structured blazer, a clean pair of heels, a bold color, a well-made bag. One focal point gives your outfit direction. It creates balance, and balance feels intentional. You don't need to shout to be noticed. Quiet confidence always speaks louder. The third shift is color. Colors affect energy more than most people realize. Neutrals like beige, cream, gray, and black create calm confidence. They feel grounded, stable, elegant. Deeper tones like red, emerald, navy, or chocolate brown feel powerful. They create presence without being loud. Choose colors based on how you want to feel, not how you want others to react. Confidence begins internally. Style simply reflects it outward. The fourth shift is grooming. Grooming is silent confidence. You don't need heavy makeup. You don't need perfection. You need intention. Clean hair, pressed clothes, neat details. These small things signal self-respect. And self-respect changes how you carry yourself. People often feel your confidence before they notice your clothes or hear your words. The final shift is mindset. Ask yourself a simple question. If I felt confident today, how would I dress? Then dress like that version of yourself, now. Not when you lose weight. Not when life feels perfect. Not when you feel ready. Confidence is built through action. Style is one of the easiest ways to practice it. Every outfit is a choice. Every choice is a message you send to yourself. Confidence isn't loud. It's consistent. It's built through small, intentional habits. Through how you dress, how you move, how you show up. Confidence is a habit. Style is just the uniform.